All right, class. So now that we have created a sequence, we are going to learn how to export our sequence. So I have a tutorial over here that I am going to be working off of to keep the instructions the same for everyone. All right, so first off, I know this is a little painful, but I'm going to ask everybody to watch their video from beginning to end with somebody uh, watching it with them. So you're going to watch your video from beginning to end over the shoulder behind someone watching it. Now, when you're going to be watching them watch your video, and you're going to notice a lot of mistakes and a lot of things you could have improved on when, even if they don't give you feedback, you're going to watch them watching it and you're going to be like, oh, just like watching their little subtle reactions. It's going to make you um, uh, be super aware of all the little mistakes that you made. And this is true for when I make a video. It's true for when some of my top seniors make a video. It's true when probably Steven Spielberg watches, his editor watches a video with Spielberg watching over his shoulder. So that's the first thing. Just watch it beginning to end, and then go back and make some quick changes. Next, we're going to go to export. Okay, there, that brings it up. And you're going to change the name of it. Hopefully, it is not named Untitled right now, but it will probably be named one of the same name as one of the clips um, in your project. So you're going to name this to whatever your project is that you're working on, and put your initials in there, because I am going to see this file. It will be easier for me to grade you and find your work if you miss a step or something. If I can see initials on there, if not every student names it exactly the same thing. Okay, you're going to change the project. Well, what is that? You're going to change the location to right in here. Just save it into the same place. First Premiere Pro project underscore. Make sure it's saving there. Preset, you're going to change this. Oh, good. This is the first time I'm using this version, so I have to look for it. So click on More Presets, type in YouTube, and we're going to choose YouTube 1080p Full HD. This is where most of our videos will end up if they're on the morning news, and it just makes it that much easier for it to be in the same format. Okay, I just moved the screen. My little face was hiding the OK button. So YouTube 1080p Full HD, and then click OK. And this should be H.264, so it should be the default, and you shouldn't have to change that. All this remains the same, and then you're going to click on Export. And you're done.